Hello everyone, I'm Osai in the United States. I just got a package contain 2 pieces of clothing, the long sleeve top like this, and overall the prints look like python. And when I wear it, it look like python when eat something big in the tummy. You will see later. I like to purchase clothing on SHEIN, H&M, and Boss because of their style and the price. I am a cheap person. I don't care about brand name. I don't care about expensive because I don't have that much money to spend. And I like both, only they are too small. I return both of them and I purchase a bigger size. I used to have the overall. The fabric is, I'm not sure what are they, stretch and cuter as the strap from the front to the back open to the waist, and they are too small, very small, as I gain every year. Now you're gonna see python. You see my tummy? That's what I said, look like python when it's something big and is showing at the tummy. And I also has several overall which never worn them because I got them when I was thinner. I purchased size small, never worn them, and now they could not fit me because I gained a lot. Thank you for stopping by, listening to me, and watch my video. Have a great day. Bye.